already. One thing you should be very, very careful. All the exams till now, whatever you have written, you have been given only 1 year. Suppose you are in class 10, you were given only 1 year to score your best in the board examination. Yes or no? Right? So here you can see, if you are writing the JEE Mains examination, you have been given 2 years of it. So if in 1 year you can manage with all those 7 to 8 subjects in which you are not interested at all, you are not interested in history, geography, biology, but still you did well in that. Now, for last 2 years, you have studied only 3 chapters: physics, chemistry, mathematics, and you are damn interested into it, right? And you have studied for 2 years. So why should you panic? You should tell yourself that yes, I have spent enough time doing the questions. I have practiced all the different type of questions. I have done, if 10 tests you have written, everybody must have done well in at least 5 tests. So remember about the good times, the good tests, the good scores. That will boost your confidence. Because many of you are coming with this query that yes, I am having a lots of stress and all this blah blah blah. That is not needed, beta. That is not needed at all. I would say if in mathematics, if out of 30 chapters, if 15 to 16 chapters are also properly done by you with proper PYQs, strategy, shortcut tricks and all, you are in the best position to get 99 percentile in this JEE Mains 2026 January session itself. Because we have seen students doing like that. It's all about the mindset. The more you will control your mindset, the more you will control the thoughts inside your mind, that will be very, very helpful beta for you in this moment, just right before your examination.